Stop scrolling. If you have got crochet hook and a ball of yarn, you are sitting on a gold mine. But let's be real, the market is crowded. To stand out on Etsy or Shopify, you are in 2026. You don't just need a product, you need an aesthetic. Today I am taking you through 10 viral ready crochet hair accessory designs that are low cost, high margins and guaranteed to stop the scroll. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting your shop, these ideas are designated to turn the likes into add to cart. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing the #1 photography secret that makes the item sell for double the price. First up, we are leaning into the soft curl and cuticle trend that are dominating Pinterest right now. The oversized heirloom bow. Forget tiny clips, we are talking massive. Floor length ribbon style bow made with lightweight lace yarn. Use a 1.5 mm hook or a 2 mm hook for the intricate fabric like drape. Press flower hair slides. Crochet tiny micro flowers, violet daisies or lilies and stiffen them with fabric spray before attaching them to gold plated flights. Pro tip for Shopify, bundle these, create a spring picnic set. Sell the ribs together, increasing your average order value and make the shipping cost worth it for the customer. Next, let's talk about the category staple. These are bread and butter of Etsy because they solve a problem, messy hair days. The granny square kerchief. This is classic for a reason. To make your unique, try a checkered board or use varied hand-dyed yarn. The velvet twist headband, use Chanel or velvet yarn. These take less than 30 minutes to make the feel incredibly luxurious. Marketing angle. Position these as the ultimate festival accessory. Use the keywords like boho style, festival hair and handmade gift in your Etsy SEO to capture that summery crowd. If you want to go viral on TikTok or Reels, you need object crochet. People love things that look like other things. Fruit themed scrunchies, think strawberry vines or citrus slices, animal ear clips, cat, bears and bunnies.